Hey, so this is your website. Okay, like I said, I do the code. I don't use AI or one of those apps. Anyway, there we go. This is the landing page. As soon as someone shows up on your website, this is how it looks like. It's your home page basically. We hit that. See, I just put this. I think it's important for it to be somewhere right here, and then there's also a mini slider here on this side on your right. Anyway, here fill information, phone, whatever, phone number, and then the dates. You see that they can actually select check-in date, check-out date, and then standard room, or they want a deluxe suite, and then if they have special needs, and then once they hit pay, they pay and book now. That's gonna take them to the payment method which we're gonna be using. At the moment, I haven't attached those yet. I haven't linked them. I'll do that after you're satisfied with the design. Anyway, after that, we have the accommodation section, which has pretty much it has 6 rooms. It is 6 rooms which are there, and then this view more, it's supposed to show all the rooms afterwards, all the rooms which are available after you do this view more. And then from here, when you check the info, room alpha, spacious queen size bed, ensuite bathroom, high speed Wi-Fi, and private balcony with stunning views. And then either they can get more information about this room, or they can go straight to booking. But now, like I said, I still haven't attached those functionalities yet. I was working on the UI. Anyway, we go down. There's a gallery section. On your gallery section, we can still add more pictures, maybe the ones which people have actually posted, people who have been living there, how those who've liked staying there, or even yourself get in the room and chill as a guest in there. It looks dope, and so you're gonna add more images. They're gonna be adding on the side, and then when you click one, it's just a gallery view. You see that it's just a gallery view. When you click these images, they'll be viewing on your left, and all right. Anyway, from there, there's also another book option there, just to fill in the information and do the booking, and then getting in touch parts, basic stuff, filling in information, and then when they send message, it'll get to your email address. And then here we're gonna need your email address for this as well. And then these social media icons at the bottom, I'm gonna make them actually link to your social media. When they click that, should take them to Facebook, IG. I'm thinking here maybe I was thinking maybe WhatsApp, because I just noticed. I noticed this after designing. On your WhatsApp, there's a catalog there with a couple of pictures. So I'm thinking I might add WhatsApp as well. But anyway, on these last 2, you tell me which you tell me which social media you prefer, which has a lot of content, so that I'll link it here. Besides that, for now, that's pretty much it. And then I already hosted it on this website called Netlify, right? Let me show you there. Give me a second. Okay, this is the Netlify part, and it's already hosted on a temporary host. You see, it says Baseni Air.netlify.app, right? Once you click that one, that's the link I actually sent, which you were using to check out your site. Anyway, when you go back there, after you've paid for it, then we're gonna have a proper link, say baseniair.co.za. If I do a quick setup real quick, and then we search for a thing, okay, let's skip that, and then we buy a new domain. This is what you're gonna do when you want to buy a new domain. That's gonna be baseniair.co.za, if that's how you want it to be, or you want it to be a .com, right? And then if you search for domains, give it a couple of seconds, it will show the prices. You see, baseniair.co.za, for the whole year you're only going to pay $16.99. How much is $16.99? I wonder. I'm not sure. Say $17 in rand. How much is that? 278. yes, 278. That's pretty much how much you're going to pay, and you'll be on for the whole year. You can choose other options if you want it to be a .com. You see, it's less expensive. If you want it to be a .org, way less expensive. Okay, WTF, okay, we wouldn't do that. And .live, okay, for $4.99. Yeah, but now that's gonna be after we are done with the whole thing. Anyway, that's what I got for you for now.